Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a combined Canadian Dollar Tree and Dollarama haul. Yes, Canada has a Dollar Tree. Their items, I don't know if they were $2 Canadian or $1.75 Canadian. I'm looking to see. I do have a receipt. The items in Canada are, some of them are $1.50, some were $2.50. Oh, that's Dollarama. Well, I don't know. It's in Canadian. I might come across the receipt. Well, we'll do that one first. This is from the Dollar Tree. You have to bring your own bags up there or buy these. So I did bring my own bag for Dollarama, but I forgot one for Dollar Tree. So that's okay. But they have the neatest stuff. And they have some of the same stuff we do. I got this for my planters out on the patio. It's a 2-pack. I just thought it was so pretty. I mean, it's just, you can hang them, like pop the back off and hang them, or stick them in a plant. I'm going to stick mine in a plant. You could also stick them in a wreath. But it says honey and herbal beeswax candles, fresh and dried herbs, and there's a bee in the center. But I like those, and they were some price. They were a price. Oh, I found these. I thought maybe for some 4th of July or some summer embellishment. They're just little heart stars. You get 8 of them. Again, they were something. I don't know how much. We'll get there. We'll figure it out. I also grabbed these. Don't ask me why, because I could make these, but I just wanted to show you. This is Craft Medley, and it's an 18-pack, and it's little, like, keychains that you can make on your own, or ornaments, the gift tags, or whatever. Little keychains. So I thought that was neat. We're going to leave the stuff here. It's going to go back in its bag. I knew the Dollar Tree wouldn't fail me. $1.75 is their base price, and then candy was $2. So $1.75 Canadian. Oh, I got this, which was the $2. It's pure mint cinnamon. Now, pure is made with xylitol. So you want to be very careful if you have any pets that would eat it, because xylitol is toxic to your animals. But we're going to try one of these. I love a cinnamon, guys. I love a cinnamon. And it says kick aspartame. So these don't have artificial sweetener in them. Aspartame is artificial. Xylitol, stevia, monk fruit, those are all natural. So this is made with xylitol. You can get it here. I've seen gum and stuff, but fun little thing. I needed that. It goes on my kitchen faucet until I replace it. It helps me, yeah, kitchen faucet. It's a sprayer. And it was $1.75, I think. The bag was 34 cents. Yeah. What did I spend $2.50 on? I don't know. We'll figure it out. I needed a new lighter, and why not get one from Canada? It's got the maple leaf. So Canada Day is July 1st. 4th of July is July 4th. So usually they have more Canada Day stuff out, but they did not this year. It must not just not be on the shelves yet. But I needed a new lighter. I also needed some Canada socks, because who does not need socks from Canada? I mean, I do, clearly. And then I got this. I did not see these at my store. And I'm not saying we don't have them at our store. I just haven't seen them yet. Just a little watermelon. I thought that was super cute because I love the color in the beads. I thought that was sweet. It's just summertime, you know. We're in the summer months. So let's put all this away like the responsible adult we are. And then I went and got a creator Lego. This was $5 Canadian. I don't know how much they are in the US. I've really never bought one, but the directions are in French and English. But it's an orange cat. I mean, it could be 3 different things, but it will be an orange cat with a bowl of water. Let's not pretend we don't know what that's going to become. I need to bring this to work on Thursday. For my coworkers, I got the Aero bars, caramel bars, and Canadian Kit Kats. If you aren't aware, chocolate in Canada is different. Candy in Canada is generally different than the US. I prefer Canadian chocolate. It's creamier, it's a higher fat content. I don't think there's palm oil in it. I think they use coconut oil. There's a couple differences, but it's fun to bring back. So I got those to bring back for the work people. Oh, I grabbed this because I just thought it was so pretty. It is, it's just washi tape, but look at the birds. And it says Ariel bird. I don't know. I just like the birds. I thought that was fun. Oh, apparently I was about keychains, but I'm pretty sure these keychains you can fill. I think you can fill them with little trinkets or like glitter or something. And I want to say I was thinking resin when I bought these. And maybe not. I don't know. Can you? I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. Blank keychains, it just says. I thought you could maybe open them up, but no. So they're just blank keychains, which is fine. We're crafters, friends. That's what we do. I didn't know I was getting rocket pops, so I got rocket pops. So now I have 2, and that's fine because I like them. I'll take them to work, and then I'm going to stitch that thing to put on there. I grabbed these for my trip, or for my purse, really. They're Wetkins, and I think they're just wet naps. Yeah, they're just wet wipes. But I got these because, they're tiny little wet naps for your purse. And for somebody who's going to be going to a lot of Christmas markets in the evening and handling food and beverage, walking around markets, yeah, I'm bringing these with us. We need these. And you get 8 in the package, and I have 4 packages. So I'll give 1 or 2 to my neighbor or my friend Lori, and then I will have 1 or 2 in my purse, and then we'll have wipes for the trip. These are not antibacterial or any kind of sanitary. They're just for sticky fingers, really. And I think that'll be perfect for us. Yeah, I'm excited for those. I was excited when I found those. And then the last thing I got was some stickers. And they are cats. Because why wouldn't I? They're die cut stickers. And they're very like vintagey, Victorian vintagey sticker. Are they stickers? Oh, they're just die cuts. You got to glue them down. But you don't have to cut them out. I can't get it open because I don't have scissors here, but I thought they were stickers, but they're not. But that's okay. You just glue them down into your like notebook or whatever. So that was everything I found at the Dollar Trees. Their stores were kind of in the same state as ours, and I'm just feeling like everybody's in a state anymore with the economy. And I know Canada's suffering, and I'm sorry for that because of us. All right. And then I went to Dollarama. Kind of the same situation there. They didn't have a ton, but I did get a fork for my fire pit that I can toast hot dogs and maybe marshmallows on. I don't know. But I can definitely, you can to make the arm go out, but you can definitely, I can definitely do a hot dog on my little fire pit. I wouldn't cook food over it like that would be greasy, but I can definitely heat up a hot dog. So I got that. I'm excited because I have a new fire pit. I didn't get a ton there, but I did get, shock among shock, some more storage containers. I have a problem with vessels, bags, little containers, but I typically find something to do. I'm thinking my washi might fit in here, like upright, and just line it up. But I grabbed 2 of those. These were $1.50. So Dollarama would be like a nicer version of our Dollar General. So I grabbed 2 because I'm thinking, I was thinking that, let's see. Please hold. You don't mind, right? We got time. We're friends. So let's see if, yeah. See, my washi fits in here. It was a thought. Now, we should also see if this says anything besides Ariel Bird while I got this out. It's nice and big washi, too. Oh, what's happening? What's going on? Okay, I see. It's, weird. This is sticker back washi, which I always find odd, but you know, whatever. Nobody asked me. There we go. Okay, so, oh, pretty. And then it says, be a bird, grow on, be a bird, grow in the distant green mountains. I don't know what that says, but it's all different. Isn't that fun? But it's paper-backed. I mean, which is fine. But I feel like the whole point of washi is that it sticks to itself. And you don't have to deal with that. I don't know. But we'll put them in here. We'll put it in here for now. But I do need somewhere to keep my washi tape organized. So I got that. That was a thought. Oh, I picked up some ibuprofen because I had a headache, but then I was fine. I had some. I didn't think I had any. I don't know how much it was. I needed these for $1.50. These are Monstera snack picks. And I needed those, right? For what? I don't know. I just needed them because they're super cute. I'm going to find a craft to do with that is what I'm going to do. But I got those. I got these are little paper bags to make presents for wrapping gifts in. And I think those are fantastic. I love a paper bag. These are 12 by 18 centimeters. So they're kind of a squat and a wide. Okay. Canada is team metric. Sort of. They're both, actually, which is, I find interesting. I grabbed this to go on a project bag, maybe on a, my knitting bag or my crochet bag or my stitching bag, but it's a Canadian pom-pom keychain thing. It has a beaver and a maple leaf and a little tassel, and it's a red, and I will cut that off. And I will probably put it on my stitchy bag or something. But I thought it was cute, and it was $2. So I got that. And then for here, I'm going to be cleaning up these cat toys. I have way too many for 2 cats that don't play. And I needed that, right? Didn't I need that? I think that was $4.50. Yep, it sure was. I thought it was $5. So, hey, I got it on sale. Plus, remember, I'm not paying full price in Canada, but I needed that. It's just a little basket. But I'm going to put the cat's toys in here for them. And I love it. So I got that. I know. Oh, yes, I haven't tried these yet. I got mango, freeze-dried mango, and freeze-dried peaches. Like, who doesn't need these in their life? I do. I haven't tried them, but they're freeze-dried fruit, and you know I love freeze-dried fruit. So I grabbed those. Oh, I thought I had something else, but that was it. Because here was the bag I was supposed to take to the Dollar Tree and didn't. It's my Trader Joe's bag. That's everything that I got this trip at the Dollar Tree and Dollarama in Canada. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk with you later. Bye.